Okay, so I have a spray bottle and then filled it up with diesel and sprayed it right there, and I sprayed it right there. And since they are both petroleum, see that? Look. See that? So instead of buying these expensive degreasers, just use diesel fuel. Look, I'm gonna spray right there. Just a little bit. And, okay, I don't have a brush. I just use my finger. See that? Now if I had a brush bar, it goes faster. See that? Take some of that diesel on this side and bring it over here. Okay. Wipe this clean. Look at that. Amazing. Use paper towel instead of a brush. I ordered those, what do you call those brushes that you buy for parts cleaner station? Works pretty good, huh? Look at that. What do you think? Anyway, wanted to experiment with that. It works pretty good, I guess.